Guys, we made it to Columbus, Ohio, and we sold signs for Skyline Chili. We've never ate at one. We don't have these in Georgia, but they do sell the canned Skyline Chili in the grocery store. I think the Hubs has tried it. I've never tried it. But anyways, we're here, and it's a sit-down restaurant. They told us to have a seat, and then they just took our order, and they gave us recommendations, and we took the recommendations, except I got the 3-way instead of the 4-way. When you first sat down, they brought us 2 little bowls with the little oyster crackers and hot sauce. I know you want to put the hot sauce on some. I asked the waitress what the hot sauce was for, and she says some people open these up, squirt it in, shake it up, and eat it, or you put it on your chili, or you put it in here and dip it. I know you want to try it, right?
No.
She says yeah, it wasn't that bad.
I about to taste some on the french fry later.
I'm going to try some of my crackers in just a moment. But yeah, how's your tea? You know how, I always heard that up north they don't believe in sweet tea, but we ordered sweet tea. Not that sweet. Not like Georgia sweet, but it's sweet. It's not just
sweeter
tea.
than expected.
I wanted to have a sweet one. I'm going to try it first. Because when I think of hot sauce, I think of buffalo. Alright, you got it? I got that baby in there. Is it going to be hot? Okay. She said she's a wimp and she likes it, so I'm a wimp too. Your turn. I'm not going to tell you if you try it.
Oh, really? Oh, well, yeah, the way you're acting, it must be, yeah, it's
My
kind of
tongue
hot.
is like on fire. She must not be that much of a wimp. I'm more of a wimp than her. Your turn. Hey guys, it came. I got the 3-way, which is spaghetti noodles with the chili on top. And look at all the cheese. I told her they believed in cheese. He got the Cheese Coney with just cheese and chili. It also comes with mustard and onions, but he didn't do that. And we got to order of fries. But here you go. You think you're going to get out of it because the food came.
I'll try it on the crackers.
I wouldn't do like me and lay the complete. I would just dip it if I were you because I'm still burning.
Okay.
But what she said is true. If you put it with the cheese, it might help it. Make sure you get a double dip.
I don't like spicy food.
It burns. Yeah, it hits right away.
Yeah.
All right, you gonna try
My tongue is burning.
I know. My tongue is still burning, so and it's been a couple of minutes. Anyways, there is so much. Under here is noodles and their chili. He got the fries and he got, that's a cute little baby hot dog. That's why they always show people getting 2. You probably should have got 2.
Well, I didn't know how big it was.
All right, go for it. Let's see how messy you can make this. Are you gonna eat it with a fork? That's why you need the cheese.
Well, look at the cheese on there.
Oh, you don't have nowhere near as much as I got.
And it's really soft. Which they steam it. So.
Yeah. We ordered and it took it like 2 minutes and it was out. Is it good? How's the chili? That's what she says you can also, while he's chewing, you can get habanero cheese mixed with your cheese. But we didn't. We don't want to go that route.
The chili has a different flavor to it than...
It's Greek. It's Greek. So
yeah, I don't really know how to describe it.
I don't know. I can't wait. Try a fry and tell me if it's good. You still got too much in your mouth? Pretty good? Okay.
And now Melissa's going to try.
I have no idea how to eat this.
And what is that called again?
This is the 3-way.
3-way chili.
Chili, noodles, and cheese. And I did not get the onions. 4-way has onions, beans, and you go 5-way beans. All right, I don't have any of the noodles, but I do have the chili. There. Y'all know if you can see it, it's all the cheese. Ooh, rye.
Yeah, I don't know how to describe it.
It's kind of like perfume.
It's like it's got some type of maple flavor or something.
I don't know. That is different.
I've never tasted chili like that before.
All those noodles have good flavor.
And I can't remember having chili on noodles before.
I've neither. But since the guy was Greek, He opened the first one of these in Cincinnati. He used his mother's recipe, so I guess that's where you get the noodles. But that chili is something else. That is different.
And
like I think a flour would taste.
And excuse me. And you told me he could see the skyline of the city. That's how I got his name.
Named it. He was close to something. I read it on their website. All right, well, let's eat up. Yeah, no, mid-chill making. I said it backwards again. Mid-chill making. Mid-meal check-in. How you doing?
Pretty good. I'm actually enjoying this.
You liking the chili more? Sorry, I had to take a drink of tea. I put hot sauce
the
on
chili
mine.
I mean, it's okay. It's very
It's
different.
just meat
than what we're
and
used
sauce.
to.
I talked to her about the noodles, and they are coated in a tomato paste thing. And they are really good just by themselves. That's my favorite thing. I can just sit and eat noodles. He tried one. How did you like it? Even the texture's
The
different.
texture's really good on noodles too. If I was eating spaghetti or something, that would be really a good noodle.
I put hot sauce. Don't look at my napkin. I put hot sauce on this. Took a lot of the cheese off. And it gave it a totally different flavor, but I'm burning.
Yeah, I can't eat hot sauce.
Oh, come on. Let me squirt some on there. You got sweet tea. I tell you what, these are so much better than the ones you buy in the store. I don't know what brand they are, but they're really delicious. I'm already trying to talk him out of his bag to take home with me. Okay, well, I'll get them in a minute. So would you recommend?
I would say they had two made them.
Hey, if you come through Kentucky or Ohio, would you recommend stopping in and trying it?
Yeah, especially if there's not one of these in your area, you should try it.
I know, the only place I've seen them was when we were coming into Kentucky on the other way. How many miles did it say before you reached another one, which we think was Florida, maybe?
Oh, yeah, going back the other way before, it was like 600 miles.
Yeah, but we saw them all up through the exit and we're like, well, let's try it. We had never, because normally when we hit up this area, we like Raising Cane's and we like White Castle. But we thought we'd try something new, which we still may have to hit a Raising Cane. But I brought food too. I made food before we left so we'd have some. We are just right outside the Ohio University College, close to the football stadium. This is cool. Okay, guys, I have to look at see what it's called. It is Cheesecake Factory's Pineapple Upside Down Cheesecake. So it has the pineapple and strawberry, and I can't wait to dig in. You want to try first?
Yeah, I can do that.
Wait, you know, I've started loving the Cheesecake Factories, but I'm usually not a big fan of pineapple upside down cake, but that one with strawberry kind of got me. Oh, let me
Yeah,
see.
you got a bunch of stuff with
Yeah, it looks like
and
strawberry.
pineapple.
Oh,
Is
yeah.
that caramel or something?
I do
in
not
those
know.
ones?
I don't know.
And I don't know what the topping is there.
Well, it's just whipped cream. It looks like it's kind of wilted a little.
Right.
Go for it. And you didn't get a burst full flavor. Your mouth was just.
You're gonna like this.
Oh, I am,
You're
huh?
gonna like it. It's really good.
Oh, goody. I can't wait to try it. It looks yummy.
Okay, Melissa, what do you think? You ready to take
Yeah,
a
I'm
bite?
ready. All right, here we go.
Huh? All right, what's the verdict?
That is delicious.
That tastes really good.
Really good. The strawberry hit you.
I'm not. You talking over? I'm not that big of a fan of cheesecake, but I really like that cheesecake
get
right there.
another
That's good.
That's really good. Your mouth just fills with the flavor. You like it tastes like summer. I'm having to talk fast because the music just started, but that tastes like summer. I give that 2 thumbs up. The other thumbs up, but you just can't see it. Did you just stick a bite in there and now you're getting another one? He never
That's
goes
really
for,
good though.
He never goes for cheesecake.
No, but this one's actually really good.
I may have to try upside down pineapple cake now. But I thought upside down pineapple cake had cherries, not strawberries. Guys, I was wanting to show you up closer. The bottom is cheesecake. The top is a cake with the pineapple glaze with pieces of strawberry on it. And that whipped cream, I love it. He doesn't. He never likes whipped cream, but I do.
This is just really good. I can't get over it.
Every time I cut it off, he starts to say something. Go ahead. We tried the crusty back part. It was really good.
We're going to be fighting over the end of it here in just a minute.
I know. I've got my foot ready to stab him. It's rich, though. You got to have something to drink. I'm shocked. So when we go next to the Cheesecake Factory, is what you're going to get? I don't know. That was as big as the pieces they give you there. I don't know. We might die. We both stuck a fork in. We both got a bite, and that's what's left. I'm giving it to the hubs. He drove all the way here in the crazy traffic. So.
Oh yeah, that was stressful.
Yeah. But now that we're here, I like where we're at. Oh, last bite. Oh, I just got to thinking when I said the stressful drive. Well, when we got to our motel, we checked in. We thought, okay, let's leave and go eat. Then we thought, no, let's go check our room. We shouldn't have done that. We got in, and the guy said, we're testing out the elevators for fire or whatever. It might stop, but it's going to come right back to us. Well, it stopped, but it didn't move. And we could hear them going, oh no, oh my goodness. And I'm scared of elevators anyway, and I'm very claustrophobic. It really scared me. And we picked the 3rd floor. They weren't ready, so they put us on the 4th. They let us go up to our room in the laundry elevator. I didn't like it because of the way it jumped. But anyway, we walked down the steps and asked could we get something closer to the ground because the elevator, they still couldn't get it to work. It didn't come back to the floor it was supposed to. We had to, did we step up or step down? It was not lined up.
There's about some rain inches.
But they had to fight to get it there. Anyway, they had to cut them off, so they put us on the 2nd floor, and we're fixing to go back for round 2. We have not went up to that room yet. We have no idea what it looks like. We probably got changed, but she put us in a bigger room because I was shaking. I mean, that was fear. But the run down the steps was fun, wasn't it? To the 4th floor.
Yeah, it was actually interesting going through the laundry.
Yeah, it was neat going through the laundry. It was neat.
They were washing the bed covers.
The only thing is, the room they gave us on the 4th floor was right across from it, and that just kind of took away from me.
Yeah.
And I got to thinking, do I really want to climb to the 4th floor? I mean, what if they have to use that elevator?
Yeah.
Every time. Oh well, I just wanted to throw that in there. He had stressful driving. I had a stressful, scary time in the elevator, which I think he was scared too because he wasn't speaking. And he kept wanting to press something, but you couldn't press nothing. Then the red lights started going off. That's how much it was. The $5.99 was the cheesecake. I was the big spin with the 3-way was $7. Wow. Well, pups, we tried it. We talked about it all the way here almost.
Yeah, we have been talking about it.
We thought we had missed it because it didn't map us to anymore. So, because we had almost talked ourselves into eating in a place called Brewster's, which if we can find one, we will, but the one that beside the place we're staying at, they're remodeling.
Yeah.
So what'd you think?
You know, the chili tastes very different than any chili I've ever tried.
I mean, it wasn't bad. It's just not what we're used to.
Yeah, I don't.
It tasted like something I've had that was called like flavored tulip or flavored flower. I mean, I'm not meaning that mean, but that's exactly what it tasted like to me, like a perfume.
And it seemed like it had a sweetness to it.
That's what I'm talking about, a sweet flower.
Yeah. But I mean,
I'm weird.
Like I said, they're not in the South, so we've never tried it before.
And I would have never thought to put noodles under my chili, but the waitress, we had the sweetest waitress. Her name was Bella, and she gave recommendations. She would answer any questions. But she says at their house they eat chili on noodles. And I said, well, in Georgia we eat it on Fritos. I mean, or at our house we do. We put Fritos on top. But I liked it. I'm glad we tried it.
Yeah, I'm
the cheesecake is to die for. When we go back to the Cheesecake Factory, we may have to get that one.
That's some of the best cheesecake.
Because normally cheesecake doesn't have that much flavor. That one was infused with pineapple, strawberry, and it said there was a buttery something on it. And he thought it was caramel, but it said on the thing a buttery glaze or something. But it might have caramel too, but I tasted butter.
And the texture was just right.
Because it had
really
cake. You had more cake than cheesecake. And I know you. He's a guy. Don't do cheesecake. Or don't let it be known that he does cheesecake.
Yeah, well, I mean...
He put away his hot dog and fries. I couldn't. I ate a few noodles, but you can't eat that many noodles. It fills you up.
Yeah, the hot dog is not that big of a hot dog.
It's a baby, but it's bigger than a Crystal's pup.
Yeah, but it doesn't cost. It's not that expensive.
It's like $3.
Yeah, like $3.
The cheese, I don't see how they get away with serving that much cheese. And she said they have a certain day, Skyliner Day or something, and you get double the cheese. I said, where do you put it? Because it was that thick. And I got a small. There's no telling. I saw one come out like that. I don't know if that was the medium or the large. I couldn't have eaten it.
Yeah.
But she said a lot of people, because they like their noodles so much, eat the noodles with just cheese, no chili. If I ever come back, that's what I'm going to get. Just noodles and cheese. Or just noodles. I really like the noodles. But my favorite thing was a free item. I love the crackers.
Yeah.
Because I love saltines, and they taste like saltines.
I noticed they also sell them in there if you want to buy some and take them home.
Really? You better be glad I didn't see it. We'd be bringing some home. Which, who knows? I don't think we will do this place like we do Raising Cane's. When we go to Kentucky, we eat there every time we eat.
Yeah, this is some place I'm glad I tried.
Might come back for the cheesecake.
Yeah, I'll eat it here again.
And they have a drive-through.
But it's
they
not.
had a drive-through.
Yeah, it's not some place I feel like I've got to, go to it because I'm in the area.
When we got here and I saw the drive-through, I thought it was just a walk-up order and sit down. And we walked in and like, pick any seat.
Yeah, I'm like you. I thought it would be a
But up at
service.
the counter, I did not film it. They sold Reese's and candy and stuff like that. And then we turned around and they sold their merchandise. I didn't see the crackers, but I did see the chili and the t-shirts.
Yeah, they were in the same
Didn't even
case
pay attention.
with the chili.
All right, well, that was our southern person's opinion of Skyline Chili here in Columbus, Ohio. So anyways, hope you're having a wonderful day. Don't forget to share your smile. We are in Columbus for the Good Guys Summit Racing, the Nationals, whatever. It's got all that in the title, but I don't know which order it goes. But it's the Good Guys show. It's the Summit Racing, and then it has Nationals. So, but it's the big one.
It's a big car show.
And it starts tomorrow, and we're going to go at the Expo Center. We're going to go see where it's at and the best way to get there from where we are, because we don't know our way around Columbus at all. We remembered how to get here from a long time ago when we just drove through and then drove to Dayton. So, were you ready?
I'm ready.
And you give this place thumbs up, sideways?
Yeah, it's good. Definitely give it a try if you're in the area where they have one.
But if you're from the South, or Texas even, Texas, Georgia, I know how the chili is in both those places. This is not your chili. There's no beans. You have to pay to have beans and onions. And there's barely any meat, right?
Yeah, it is something like a lot of meat.
Yeah. All right, well, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you hadn't already joined my journey, hit that subscribe button. And if you think anybody would enjoy this or has been wanting to eat at one of these places and want to know what it's about, share the video. And I guess we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.
Bye.